The outcome was grim on Saturday afternoon when a motorcycle collided with a cement truck along the Bexon highway. Disturbing video footage and cell phone images from the scene showed the full extent of the road fatality, which also resulted in injuries to at least one other individual. Shards of glass and twisted metal littered the roadway. One man appeared to be nursing a leg injury, while another lay motionless on the asphalt. The sight stunned onlookers in the Bexon community.
On Saturday, June 14, 2025, the Saint Lucia Fire Service responded to a motor vehicular collision at 3:20 p.m. involving a motor vehicle and a motorcycle on the Bexon highway.
Emergency responders from the Saint Lucia Fire Service arrived swiftly at the scene.
On arrival at the scene, two adult males were found laying on the ground. An assessment revealed major trauma and obvious signs of death to one individual. He was pronounced dead on the scene by a medical doctor.
The Royal Saint Lucia Police Force later identified the deceased as 25-year-old Colonel Roberts of Goodlands Castries.
The other sustained multiple injuries about the body. He was treated and transported to a medical facility for advanced medical care.
Reports indicate the truck driver was confronted by someone claiming to be a friend of the motorcycle riders after the collision. Police are continuing their investigation into the circumstances surrounding both the crash and the subsequent altercation. The incident has reignited calls from emergency personnel, law enforcement, and first responders for motorists to exercise caution, obey traffic regulations, and prioritize road safety at all times. The recent surge in road traffic incidents across the island has also prompted renewed calls for heightened enforcement and accountability on St. Lucia's roads. Last week, Godfrey Ferdinand, president of the National Council on Public Transportation, expressed profound concern regarding the number of vehicular collisions and what he perceives as a lack of punitive enforcement. Sola Alfred, HTS News Force.
These measures to at least decrease the number of accidents that we have in